Open Photoshop and make sure your version is 21.0 or above. Drag your desired image to Photoshop. Press W in your keyboard or right-click this icon, and select the Object Selection tool. Check the Object Finder, then point to the object that you want to cut. Click the highlighted area, then press the combo key. This tool is pretty similar to the Select Subject feature of the Magic Wand tool on the last video. The difference is that, it automatically selects multiple objects that you can cut or copy, in your selected image. Pretty easy, right? But remember to check the edges of the selected object. That's it, and see you on the next video.